Hello, and welcome to week 6 in your capstone consulting project. This is a quick coming attraction so that you'll know what's coming your way. So, what have you learned so far about your client, me, and about the issue that has been identified for you? As you're in week 6, the expectation was originally that you'd have 3 reports done by now, but you don't, and that's okay. But are you finding out what you need to? Are you pursuing this process in the manner in which you should? How about your discussion? You should be using discussion to talk to others and put alternative views in front of you. You should be reading chapter 1 in Resourceful Consulting for week 6. And you could talk about the video, which is Consulting Gone Wrong. So here's the thing. My biggest expectation, by now, you should have definitely had a proposal to me. A proposal is the contract that we're going to work off of. It's the agreement that we have said this covers everything we want to cover. And if it changes, but we got to have someplace. I want to urge you to remember, you can't revise if you don't put it on paper. So as soon as you get some things in, you should be looking to have, this should be the week where your second report comes in to me. You do have a discussion question this week. Again, don't miss these, because if you miss a discussion question, you miss 100 points. And that's crazy because it's going to affect your grade. So please take the time. Look at what's expected of you. I know that this is a point when oftentimes people feel they've sort of hit a, I've done all I can do for right now. It's vital you keep going. Please do. And remember, if you have any questions, any problems, I am available to meet you. With both groups, I'm incredibly proud of the fact that you guys are meeting all the time and that you're really doing your best. So please keep me posted. Anything else comes up, let me know. Thank you so much. Keep up the great work, and I'll talk with you soon.